And it's June 29th, 2022. An Angels Kaboom Airport Kaboom check. And yes, we got some serious trash building up there. We'll go over and take a look at the king next and see how he's looking. June 29th, 2022, King Kaboom check. Definitely getting full. But we got municipal disaster relief coming to empty this one. And there is a whole lot of bottles and trash waiting for them. I hope they can service the airport too. And I came back. Got some sacks. Gave Ging Ging an extra one over there, stash, so she's got another clear and a white sack, so she's good to go. I just want to know where my bottles went. I sure hope municipal didn't throw them in the landfill. That's not the whole point, but one little piece of trash on the ground. Major improvement. Normally we got Jollibee trash all over here, but they hauled it out of here this time. That's wonderful. They are working. I just got to get my lids made for them. I got a really trick foam lid that's going to go on there. Keep the water and the cats and stuff out of it. I'll be back.